Hey guys, it's Kelsey with Master Services. This weekend we're at the Dogwood Arts House and Garden Show, and I want you guys to come along and see our booth.
Hey guys, welcome to the 2024 Dogwood Art House and Garden Show. We invite you out to the Master Services booth at booth 506. Come on out and check us out. If you have any waterproofing or foundation needs, we're here to help you. We want to take care of your needs, and it's been a fantastic turnout today on Friday, but we're looking forward to seeing you guys come on out today, Friday till 6 p.m. or Saturday we've got 10 to 6, and then again on Sunday we'll be here from 10 to 4. Please come on out. We're going to be waiting right here for you, right, Lindsay?
That's right.
We'll be right here waiting on you guys. If you've got waterproofing and foundation needs, come check us out.
Come see us.
Come see us. See you guys.